Start.
Good day, viewers. You are still watching Mr. Mike Physics Math channel. I'm going to take you another topic, which is capacitors and capacitance. Example. Watch. This is the circuit diagram as you have seen on the board, and the question goes: calculate the effective capacitance of the circuit above. The circuit diagram is given to you, and you have to find the effective capacitance of the circuit. So, solution. First of all, you have to understand the arrangement of the capacitors in the circuit. You can see that these 2 microfarad capacitor with these 2 microfarad capacitor with these 2 microfarad capacitor. All of them are arranged in parallel. So for you to solve this particular question first of all, you're supposed to find capacitance in parallel first. So we have capacitance in parallel is given by C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3, because they are 1, 2, 3. So we have C1 plus C2 plus C3. And what is C1? Let's assume this is our C1, this is our C2, this is our C3. So we have 2 plus 2 plus 2. And that will give us 6 microfarad. So I've gotten the capacitance in parallel. So what can you do to find the effective capacitance? When you say effective capacitance, it means the total capacitance in the circuit. So the total capacitance in the circuit can be found by finding the capacitance in series. So the effective capacitance is given by 1 over C total is equal to 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C3. Understand that when we obtain this as capacitance in parallel, they become 1 as in this arrangement. So these 2, the 3 of them, 2 capacitance is 2 microfarad plus this one collapse to form to become 6 microfarad plus this one here also collapse, and they are together now as in what? In series. So the capacitance in series 1 over Ct is equal to 1 over 6 plus 1 over 2, these 2 here, plus 1 over C3. That is C3. So simplifying this one further, we are going to find the LCM of this. This is an algebra, so we are going to find the LCM, and the LCM is 6. Because 2 can hold 6, 3 can hold 6, and 6 can hold 6 itself. So 6 into 6 will go 1 time. 1 times 1 is still 1, plus 2 into 6, or 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2, 3 times 1 is 3, plus 3 or 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 1 over Ct is equal to 2, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. So we have 6 over 6. And that will be, when you cross multiply, because don't forget that this is an inverse. So the inverse of this means Ct will be equal to 6 over 6. Because this one goes up and then the 6 goes down. So when you divide it, you have Ct is equal to 1 microfarad. So if you want to remove this symbol for microfarad, you know that 1 microfarad is equal to 10 raised to the power minus 6 farad. So we have 1 times 10 raised to the power minus 6 farad as the total capacitance in the circuit. And that is the final answer for this solution. I'm sure you enjoyed this solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, put your comments, and like. Share the video. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye.